In this video, I'm going to show you a tested and proven way to do free email automation with AI. This can help you to easily convert prospects into paying customers. And the interesting part is that you don't even need to think much about crafting a good-looking email headline. AI will do the job for you. Hello, I'm Ben from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. We are interested in teaching you digital skills that can empower you to become a better digital marketer. So help us get to 1,000 subscribers by hitting the subscribe button. With that said, let's get started with this video. Now, once you have your email list, head over to instantly.ai and create an account. Instantly is an AI automation tool that helps you send emails to people for free. Now, once you've created an account and followed the process, upload your list. Now, how do you write converted emails? These tips I'm about to share with you will help you to write incredibly amazing emails. 1. Write a tested headline that has a curiosity gap. 2. Keep your emails short and sweet. 3. Add personalization. Include your recipient's name in the first lines of the emails. 4. You may choose to include pictorial illustrations of your products or services. 5. Include only one call to action. 6. Offer something valuable. 7. Always put your readers first by using the words you and your. For this video, I'll be using a phone store as an example. I'll be marketing iPads for this imaginary store named Pad Store. Let's now implement these email tips for Pad Store.
Now let's ask Google Bard to write an email headline for Pad Store. So I'll just quickly scroll through all of them and select one that suits what I want. Then after that, sign up for an account at headlines.coschedule.co to analyze your email headline. Make sure that your score is up to 70%. If it's not, try to tweak or edit your headline to improve it. So add the first name string so that it will automatically add the first name of the recipient, and now paste your headline. Then go to Bard and tell it to craft an email within 60 to 200 words. It will also create spaces to include the recipient's name, and it will have one call to action. Now paste it there and make some changes by adding some images on Google. And save it.
Now, at the scheduling tab, make sure that you research the times that your audience would likely open your email and schedule your email to run at that time. Then publish your campaign. Your email will now run and send it directly to your email list. This is an easy trick to do email automation for free without a hassle. So if this video was helpful to you, why not subscribe to our channel and hit the like button below. If you want to know how I use just AI prompts to write professional blogs that can rank on Google, check out this video right here.